Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can control your brightness and display settings in the iPhone iOS. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our settings of our phone, and after opening the settings, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will be able to get this option which is called display and brightness. So we have to click on this option. As you can see now, firstly we have these two display modes like the light and the dark. For example, I'm going to click on this dark one. If you want to open an automatic, you can also enable this. The text size option is also provided here. You can control the text size. The bold text is also provided here. If you want to control the brightness, you can also do that. The true tune and the night shift, every option is provided here. Auto lock, for example, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to enable, make it 2 minutes. So let's click on this 2 minutes. I'm going to bake again. As you can see, display, zoom, every option is provided here. So it's up to you. I'm going to bake again. So in this way, you can control your brightness and display settings on the iPhone. So see you in the next video.